Welcome. I've been wondering how can I introduce myself in this video and to introduce this series in the best way possible, but I guess there isn't the best way possible, so I'm just going to make it as raw as I can. I'm going to be building an agency from zero and you're going to be a part of it. I'm going to show you everything there is about building a business from basically nothing. But how did I get here? Well, I learned marketing during my first business that failed during the mid of 2023, but it was actually the best hands-on education I could get about digital marketing. I don't have a degree in marketing. I haven't gone through any major course about marketing online. No, I just got my education through my own first business. I was playing around with Facebook ads, I was playing around with Google ads. I was just trying to market my business in the best way possible. Of course, I was looking at guides online, and through all of these testing and through all of these actions, I managed to learn more about marketing. After the business failed in mid 2023, I decided to start helping other businesses with their own marketing. And now, almost 1 year later, I am going to be opening my own agency so I can do this properly and do it like an actual proper business. I really want to push my limits. If you have seen any of my previous videos, you know that I'm not a person who is going to settle for average. And even though I am now going to be building this agency and I know that the income that I'm going to be getting in the next 1 year might be a lot lower than what a person can get by working in a 9 to 5. I totally understand that, but still I want to go for it because that will be a challenge that will be extremely hard, but if it works out, it will be so rewarding that I couldn't even describe it. And along the way, I want to share all the wins, all the losses, and everything in between. That's why the journey will be a no BS journey. I don't want to hide anything from you. I want you to know the whole path of this business. There is already one mistake that I can share, and it's the fact that I didn't start documenting this journey earlier. I know you've probably heard by a lot of the gurus out there, also by people like Alex Hormozi, that you should be documenting your journey, and I didn't really realize the importance of all of this until now. Why would you not share your journey? Why would you build a business hiding behind the shadows? And why would you not let people know about the business? It serves as an accountability method, at least to me, because now that I'm sharing everything with you, it's one more reason to make this work on top of all the other reasons that I have for making this agency work. So why not do it? Now, speaking of gurus, I want you to know that I'm not like them. I know that all of them say that, but let me explain. I know that I don't know everything. I know there is still a lot more that I need to learn, and I'm not claiming that I know the secret success to building a business. I have my own experience. I'm going to share advice which I think is good, but for your own situation and for your own business, if you're building such, you need to think it through. You need to think about every kind of business that you hear from me or that you hear from any other person on the internet, and then think if it applies to your own situation. At this stage, there is only one main question. Will I succeed? And the honest answer is, I don't know. But will I give everything in my power to succeed? Definitely. Now, I know that you might have other questions as well behind why am I starting this agency, behind how am I going to get more clients, how am I going to be fulfilling all the services. I'm going to go through all of this in the next couple of episodes, but if you have any kind of specific question that you want me to answer from right now, I can do that. So make sure you leave that in the comments below and I'll be getting back to you as soon as I can. And now I want to officially invite you into joining this journey. Let's build that agency from zero. Next episode, I'm going to be talking about the daily struggles and my daily routine that allows me to be working 10 to 12 hour work days. But if you have, as I said, any other questions that you might want me to answer, whether it would be via a comment or maybe in a separate video, I'll be happy to do that, because as I said, it's going to be a journey that we are on together. Let's get to work.